Hi, I'm Ken.
And I'm Ralph.
Now we're here today at the Crutchfield studios to talk about Parrot Bluetooth car kits. Ralph, when you hear the name Parrot, what do you think of besides pirates?
Well, working at Crutchfield, the first word that comes to my mind is Bluetooth. And that's because Parrot is a leader in Bluetooth technology.
Now they make kits for a variety of applications. They go all the way from basic speakerphone kits to more elaborate setups that'll add Bluetooth and audio capabilities into your car stereo.
Right. Let's start with the basics. The Parrot MINIKIT Slim. Now, this is a simple portable speakerphone kit. It is self-contained, so you can carry it just about any place.
Yeah, as you can see, it's small and portable. It's got a little clip here, so you can hook it onto the visor of your car.
Right.
Or you can even just sit it on the counter if you're working in the kitchen and want to go hands-free. You said it's self-contained, and it's got a battery built in. You can charge it up with the USB cable, or you can charge it up with the car charger kit. It also has a speaker, a microphone that's omnidirectional with noise cancellation, and control is easy, a couple buttons and a jog dial.
Right. Now, it also accesses the phone list inside your mobile phone, and it also has voice recognition, which means that you can just say the name that you want to dial, and it happens.
Now let's move on to a couple of units that offer a lot more. We've got the MKI9100 and the MKI9200. Now, these have a few differences. We'll go into that a little later.
Right. The main thing to remember right now is that these are both fully integrated car kits. They have a brain that wires directly into your car stereo.
Yeah, now before you worry about wiring something into your stereo, we carry harnesses for many vehicles that make this virtually a plug-and-play operation.
Right. And speaking of that, all of these devices plug into this brain. Now, the nice thing about hardwiring is that it gives this system much more functionality than just the portable device that basically just handles phone calls.
Now, talking about the phone setup, like the MINIKIT, this has voice recognition, so you can dial numbers in your phone book just by speaking the name. It also lets you browse your phone book via text-to-speech. It'll call out the names, and you select it.
Which is nice when you're driving.
Absolutely. Now, if you want to see what you're doing, it's got a color display here. Makes it easy to see your incoming calls.
It also has this dual mic array with built-in noise reduction, so your callers can hear you much more clearly.
Now, speaking of being heard, since it's wired into your car stereo, when you receive a call, it'll automatically mute your car stereo. Now, we were talking about adding music into your system too. This system supports audio streaming through Bluetooth compatible devices. Right,
so if you have a smartphone or something like that. But also you can, through a wired connection, play just about anything. It's got an auxiliary input, it has a USB input for thumb drives and MP3 players, and it also has the proprietary pin connector for iPods.
iPod not included, I want that back.
Okay, let's get through this first. And the nice thing about this is this connector lets you remotely control the iPod through the Parrot system.
Control through this system is done with this handy little remote. You can stick that on the dash of your car, or there's even a strap here so you can hook it to the steering wheel.
Right.
The remote has a series of buttons and a dial. To enter your menus, just press it on the dial. And then you just turn the knob. We'll go to iPod. Once we're in there, we can just turn until we get down to the playlist. And I'm going to look for one of my favorite playlists. Once I'm there, I can choose the song I like and press it. With the 9200, you get album information, plus even cover art. When you're done, just press the button to exit. Now, we've mentioned there were some differences between these two models. The MKI9100 comes with this smaller 3-line display.
Right, and the MKI9200 gives you a 5-line display. Now, it also has an SD card slot, so you can load up to 32 gigabytes of music onto an SD card and just pop it right in.
You're going to have your whole music library with you all the time.
Right.
If you want to find out more about these and other Parrot products, go to crutchfield.com/Parrot.
Or you can call one of our expert advisors at 1-800-555-9408.